The points A and B have coordinates 6, 7 and 8, 2 respectively. The line L passes through the point A and is perpendicular to the line AB as shown in the diagram above. Part A finds an equation for line L in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0, where a, b and c are integers. So I know that my line L is perpendicular to the line AB. So if I can work out the gradient of the line AB, then I can do the negative reciprocal to get the gradient of the line L, because they are perpendicular. So the gradient of AB, I can find that out by doing the change in the y coordinates. So 7 minus 2, divided by the change in the x coordinates, so 6 minus 8, which gives me 5 divided by minus 2, which is the same thing as minus 2/5. So the gradient of AB is negative, which means the gradient of L, the perpendicular line, must be positive. And it will be the reciprocal of 5 over 2, which is 2/5. I can now say for line L, y equals mx plus c. I know L passes through the point A, so I can use the fact that y is 7 when x is 6 to help me to work out what c is. So 2/5 times 6 is going to be 12 over 5. I'll subtract that from both sides to work out what my c is. To do this, I'll need a common denominator, so let's write that 7 as 35 over 5, and I find that c is 23 over 5, which I can put back into the original equation here. To get the full equation of my straight line. I can then rearrange that by multiplying by 5 and taking 5y away from both sides to get the answer in the form that was required. And there we go. That is the answer to part A. That's how they wanted me to leave my answer. So we'll leave it like that. And let's create a little bit of space before we move on to the next part of the question. So we are then told that, oops, come on. Finally, right, okay. Line L intersects the y-axis at the point C. So we can see that on our diagram here, the line L is intersecting the y-axis at point C, so I know x is 0 at that point. So if I substitute 0 into either here or here, it's up to you, you will work out the y coordinate. I'm going to substitute it into that original equation, so I'm going to substitute 0 here, and I find that y is equal to 2/5 times 0 plus 23 over 5, which is 23 over 5. And then part C. We need to find the area of triangle OCB, where O is the origin. So OCB, this is the triangle that we need to work out the area of. Remember that the easiest way of working out the area of a triangle is to do half times the base times the perpendicular height. In this case here, the base is going to be the length OC, which we've already worked out as being 23 over 5. That's just going to be the y coordinate of point C. The perpendicular height here of the triangle is going to be the x coordinate of point B, which is 8. So the area is a half times 23 over 5 times 8, which gives 92 over 5. And there we go.